What is it?
Oh man.
Oh.
Sweet.
Oh, look at South Korean Army.
What you got there?
Legos.
Horsey.
Cool.
What is it?
It's Legos.
Legos. Wow.
You have to build the castle.
That would be fun.
Horsey.
Horses.
Yeah, he actually mentioned, he said, you can put it together on the table, and I was like, oh, I don't have that anymore.
I'm gonna take the other one.
In the train.
I'm gonna get finished with
You want to open another one?
I want to sit down. I don't have to stand up for the whole presentation. Sushi sisters?
No, it's his mother. She just texted me, hasn't she?
Well, I just like watching grass grow.
Well, paint dry.
Yay, more.
Some more Legos. What is that, though?
Let me see this thing here. Oh,
That thing is,
that's cool.
that thing is, I'll show you in the back.
Okay. Yeah,
Whoa!
show us when you get all the paper off.
Paper's very hard.
Looks like Houdini.
I'll be 90 years old.
You did it.
You want me to
You
get
got
Hammer
it
to help
all. What?
Make a dragon.
A dragon?
Dragon.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Is it breathing fire? Neat.
It makes a dragon.
A dragon. And that goes really good with your castle because they always have dragons flying around castles, don't they?
It's over here.
Dragon.
But what else do they have?
Right.
Ooh, they're getting bigger and bigger. I wonder what this one is.
Yep. It's getting bigger. And whoa. Wow. This is big.
Oh, you're learning how to open them now.
Jeez.
Oh, man. Cliff is so jealous.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Horsey.
Cliff can come over and help you play with them. And he will.
That looks like a whole town.
Hey, it goes with this one, too.
Yeah.
This is the castle.
Horsey. And I didn't have a horsey.
You know what I think that is? I think that's the whole little village that goes with the castle.
Yep.
And then the dragon's going to come and attack the village.
Oh, that makes sense.
It does, but they have
Oh, horsey. They have horses.
And
a
then,
cow.
And a cow?
and then the horse attacks the village, right?
You know what?
All the people in the
I
castle.
think I see a turkey.
They're here.
Yeah. Ooh, looks good.
I'm
I'm going to eat that.
It's a toy.
That is a toy.
What?
Oh, what is it? Aww. It's gonna have so much
Is
fun.
that chicken and roosters on
I
top
like
of the
the tree,
castle?
actually.
No, it's just a
Tree's
horse
what?
and a Lego castle.
That's cute. I love the tree.
You see him up there? Oh, right there. That's a rooster and that's a chicken over there. It sure is.
But look at the little thing.
What are we looking
And
at?
back then, roosters and chickens.
Oh, it's a little kitty cat.
Kid.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Better or worse?
What is it?